How to delete your Reddit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Reddit account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Reddit account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser. Once you open your browser, just go to reddit.com and then make sure to sign into your correct account that you want to delete. Once you go to reddit.com and sign into the account, tap the three lines option that you can find from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, over here you'll be able to find this option called settings. Tap on the drop down menu to open settings. Under settings you'll find this option called account settings again, so you want to make sure to tap on the account settings option. Once you tap the account settings option, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is right under the account page, just make sure that you scroll down to the bottom. When you scroll down here, you'll find this option known as delete account, as you can find it. All you have to do is just tap the trash icon next to delete account option. It will ask you for a confirmation, so just tap the continue option here, tap on OK. It will send the confirmation link to your email, so make sure you go ahead and verify that link. After you verify that link right over here, in this case tap on it, and then your account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Reddit account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.